How have court cases changed child support enforcement laws? Imagine a world where parents can easily dodge their child support responsibilities. Thankfully, court cases have shaped laws to prevent that from happening. Over time, courts have clarified how child support orders can be enforced. They have made it clear that tools like withholding, license suspensions, and contempt proceedings are valid ways to make sure payments are made. Contempt of court is especially powerful. If a parent refuses to pay, they can face fines, jail time, or even have their driver's license suspended until they settle their debt. This keeps parents accountable and prevents them from avoiding their financial duties. A big change came when courts decided that unpaid child support can be enforced even after the child turns 18. The Florida Supreme Court ruled that contempt proceedings can still be used to collect past due support after the child is no longer a minor. This means parents cannot escape paying arrearages just because their child has become an adult. The court emphasized that the obligation to pay does not end with emancipation if there is unpaid support from earlier years. This ruling helps protect the financial well-being of children and keeps parents responsible for their past obligations. Court decisions have also influenced how child support amounts are set and adjusted. Courts have made it clear that support guidelines must be followed unless there is strong evidence to justify a change. For example, if parents share custody or have significant visitation, courts can consider that when deciding how much support is owed. But they cannot ignore the rules entirely. Courts have rejected attempts to create new formulas that ignore statutory guidelines, ensuring fairness and consistency in support calculations. Practically, this means that income withholding orders are used to automatically deduct support from wages, making it harder for parents to avoid payments. If a parent is behind, courts can suspend their professional or driver's licenses to encourage compliance. Courts also requiring detailed financial disclosures from both parents to determine the correct support amount. When making decisions, courts always consider what is best for the child, especially in cases involving domestic violence or abuse. These rulings have strengthened the enforcement of child support orders, making sure that children's financial needs are met and that parents cannot easily dodge their responsibilities. Overall, court cases have helped build a system that keeps parents accountable and protects children's financial security.